Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the podcast. This is English Listening and Fluent Practice. My name is Joe. Today, we will practice English together. Simple English, calm English, English you can practice alone. This episode is for A1 and A2 learners, so please relax. You do not need a pen, you do not need to write, you do not need to hurry. Just listen. I will speak slowly, I will use easy words, and I will repeat important sentences. Sometimes I will ask you to repeat after me. This is called shadowing. Shadowing helps you speak with confidence. Okay, let us begin. Today, I want to talk about learning English alone. Many learners think, I need a teacher, I need a classroom, I need someone to correct me. I cannot learn English by myself. But this is not true. You can learn English alone. Many people do. You just need the right way. The right way is short practice. The right way is daily practice. The right way is calm practice. Not fast, not stressful, not perfect. Just calm and simple. Imagine this. It is a busy day. You wake up tired. You have work, you have family, you have many thoughts. You say to yourself, I do not have time to study English today. This feeling is very common. Many learners feel this way. Now imagine a different idea. You say, I will practice English for 5 minutes only. 5 minutes is short. 5 minutes feels easy. 5 minutes feels possible. So you do it. You listen, you repeat, you stay calm, you finish, and your brain says, that was okay. That was not hard. I can do this again. This is how learning starts. Your brain is not a machine. Your brain is human. Your brain learns best when it feels calm, safe, relaxed. When learning feels long and heavy, the brain becomes tired. When learning feels difficult, the brain wants to stop. But when learning feels short and easy, the brain opens. This is why learning English alone can work very well. Now, let us practice together. Please listen first, then repeat after me. I can learn English alone. Pause. I practice English every day. Pause. I practice English for a few minutes. Pause. Very good. Take a breath. Relax your shoulders. You are doing well. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake helps your brain learn. Today, you hear a sentence. Tomorrow, you hear it again. Next week, you hear it again. Your brain says, oh, I remember this. This feeling is called recognition. Recognition makes memory strong. Memory makes speaking easier. Shadowing helps recognition. Listening and repeating again and again builds fluency. Now, let us do one more shadowing practice. Listen carefully, then repeat slowly. English is not scary. Pause. I feel calm when I practice. Pause. I am getting better every day. Pause. Excellent. My friends, you do not need long study hours. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need to speak fast. You need small habits. You need daily listening. You need daily speaking. 10 minutes every day is better than one long day a week. Small steps, every day, quietly change your English. One day you will notice. You understand more. You feel more confident. You speak more easily. Before you go, please subscribe to this channel. Here you will get English listening practice, speaking practice for beginners, and shadowing for A1 and A2 learners. If this episode helped you, please like the video. You can also leave a comment. Tell me, where are you listening from? Thank you for learning English with me. This is Easy Talks. I'm Joe. Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.